Hey guys, welcome to Woof Woof Investing. Today we're going to talk about Dogecoin, one of the biggest trends of 2021. Yeah, exactly. It's one of this year's most notable cryptocurrency. It has risen in value by more than 13,000%, placing it among the 7 largest coins by market cap. Crypto that was created as a joke gives considerable profit to its holders now. Here's what you should know about Dogecoin, its future potential to the target price of $1 and its risks. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's go. Well, Dogecoin was created in 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It began as a joke based on the widespread internet meme Doge, which featured a Shiba Inu dog. Although Dogecoin was originally created as a joke, it borrowed Litecoin's code, which allowed an active network of users to mine the coin and confirm transactions. In January of 2021, the Reddit communities and Wall Street Bets and Settle Street Bets encouraged large-scale investments and short selling among cryptocurrency investors. That chain of events drove Dogecoin's price from $0.02 to $0.07 over the course of January. By April, Dogecoin reached an all-time high of $0.69. As of June, Doge price has fallen to about $0.31, an amount still above its starting price. Well, you should understand that Dogecoin is always surrounded with hype. Elon Musk of Tesla and SpaceX has become one of Dogecoin's biggest backers. Musk's tweets in January of 2021 contributed to the coin's earliest rise. He has also announced that SpaceX will operate a Dogecoin-funded mission, and Tesla appears to be looking at Dogecoin as a less power-hungry alternative to Bitcoin. Other celebrities have invested in and endorsed Dogecoin, including rapper Snoop Dogg, Kiss frontman Gene Simmons, and fitness trainer Jillian Michaels. Of course, Dogecoin has been widely criticized. Many people just don't take it seriously. It's considered to be another hype train, and I agree, but this hype train can give you millions of dollars. Dogecoin attracts more attention and interest. Now the most popular crypto videos on YouTube are about Dogecoin, not about Bitcoin. People are tired of Bitcoin. It happens often when you watch crypto market and see that Bitcoin crashing and Dogecoin is growing. Investors want something fresh. Now people already know that meme cryptos are capable of many things. They can make you rich in a minute. Many analysts predict that this summer will be crucial for meme cryptocurrencies and for Dogecoin in particular. The main catalyst for the recent Dogecoin trends was Coinbase's decision to add Dogecoin to its professional trading platform Coinbase Pro. After that, the price crashed, and now it's $0.31, but it's happening only because of regulators' pressure on crypto in general. The world leaders and banks, they don't want to admit that crypto is going to replace traditional currencies like dollar or euro. They don't want it because crypto is hard to control, but it's our inevitable future. Cryptocurrencies will take over the world without any doubts. Just give them some time. I believe that Dogecoin will remain among the most popular cryptos. It has huge potential and it can easily hit $1. In case of crypto, such dramatic growth happens at once due to hype and positive news. 20% a day? Easily. 50% a day? Not a problem. 100% a day? Yeah, why not? There is no limit for cryptos like Dogecoin. Just hold your coins and wait for your profit. Dogecoin will take you to the moon. Well, I'll be glad if you write your Dogecoin predictions in comments. Do you think that it will hit $1 this month or maybe this year? Just share your opinion. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned and bye.